The Ford Mustang 2022 The legend lives on. Opening scene, dramatic close-up of the Mustang logo, followed by a roaring engine sound. Narrator. The 2022 Ford Mustang, an icon reborn with power, style, and a legacy that refuses to fade. Cut to dynamic shots of the Mustang speeding down an open highway. Narrator. For decades, the Mustang has been the heartbeat of American muscle cars, and the 2022 model is no exception. Whether you're drawn to the classic fastback look or the aggressive stance of the GT, the Mustang is built to turn heads. Cut to a close-up of the engine revving. Narrator. Under the hood, you have options that thrill A, from the 2.3 liters EcoBoost turbocharged engine, delivering 310 horsepower, to the beastly 5.0 liters V8 in the GT, packing up to 450 horsepower of pure adrenaline. And for the true performance enthusiast, the Mach 1 pushes limits even further. Scene transition to the interior digital cockpit, touchscreen, and ambient lighting. Narrator. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for thrill seekers. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster, SYNC registered for infotainment system, and customizable drive modes let you experience the road like never before. Cut to Mustang handling sharp turns effortlessly. Narrator. With independent rear suspension, selectable drive modes, and available MagneRide A registered damping, the 2022 Mustang offers precision handling that makes every drive unforgettable. Final scene, sunset shot of the Mustang parked with the city skyline behind it. Narrator. Performance, style, legacy. The 2022 Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's an experience. Unleash the legend today. Ford logo appears with the tagline, "Built to be legendary."